To fix a Lenovo docking station that is not detecting a monitor, a step-by-step process can be followed. First, updating the drivers is necessary. This can be done by pressing the Windows and R buttons on the keyboard, typing dvmgmt.msc in the display box, and clicking OK. On the Device Manager page, right-click on the monitor that needs to be updated and select the Update Driver option. Then, choose the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the prompts. Next, find the display adapters, expand them, right-click, and choose the Update Driver option again. Another step is to check and modify the display settings. This can be done by opening the Settings app with the Windows plus I button on the keyboard, selecting System, and then Display. Click on Multiple Displays and tap the Detect button under the Detect Other Display section. Choose either Duplicate or Extend and tap the Identify option. Note the numbers that appear on the monitor and arrange the devices in the same order. Finally, restarting the graphics driver can also resolve the issue. This can be done by simultaneously pressing the Windows, Control, Shift, and B keys, which will cause the laptop screen to go black for a few seconds. Refreshing the graphics drivers. By following these steps, fixing a Lenovo docking station that is not detecting a monitor can be accomplished easily.